there was a young man named Tom. Tom had big dream and a heart full of hope, but he was often held back by fear. Fear of failing, fear of what others might think, and fear of stepping out of his comfort zone. One day, Tom decided to visit a wise old monk who lived on a hill just outside the village. The monk was known for his wisdom and ability to help people find their way in life. Tom climbed the hill determined to find answers. When he reached the monk's small hut, he saw the old man sitting peacefully under a tree. Tom nervously approached him and said, "Wise monk, I am scared to chase my dreams. I fear that I might fail and disappoint everyone. How can I overcome this fear?" The monk smiled warmly and invited Tom to sit beside him. He began to tell Tom a story. Once upon a time, there was a tiny seed. This seed dreamed to become a great tree one day, but the seed was afraid. It feared that it might not grow, or that it might not be strong enough to stand tall. The seed shared its fear with the wise old earth. The earth gently said, "If you want to grow into a mighty tree, you must accept your fear and push through the soil. Even though it will be hard, the journey will help you become strong and beautiful." The seed took the advice to heart. It pushed through the soil, even though it was tough. Slowly but surely, it grew into a strong tree with deep roots and wide branches. It was no longer afraid because it had faced its fear and learned from them. The monk turned to Tom and said, "Just like the seed, you too can overcome your fears. Let me give you some advice that help you on your journey." The first advice is that face your fear. To overcoming fear is that first face it directly. Like the seed that pushes through the soil, you must encounter what scares you. Start small if you really need it and take that first step. You will find that facing your fear is less fearful than you imagined. Taking action, even in a small ways, helps you become adjusted to the things that scare you. Each small step builds your confidence. Advice number 2. Break your goals into small steps. Set a small achievable goals. If you want to climb a mountain, don't focus on reaching the top all at once. Break the journey into smaller parts. Celebrate each step that you have completed. Breaking down your goals makes them less overcoming and easier to manage. It allows you to focus on progress rather than entire challenge. Advice number 3. Learn from your failure. My dear friends, remember that failure is not the end, but it is a lesson. Each mistake teaches you something valuable. Accept these lessons and they will guide you to success. Failure is a part of growth. Each time you fail, you learn what doesn't work and how to improve, making you stronger and wiser. Advice number 4. Surround yourself with the supporting people. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors. Just as the seed trusted on the earth and sunlight, you too need encouragement and advice from those who believe in you. Having a support system provide you with the strength and motivation. People who care about you can offer valuable advice and help you stay focused. Advice number 5. Stay positive and patient. Maintain a positive attitude and be patient with yourself. Growth takes time, just like the tree. You will face challenge, but patience will be help you to persevere. Positivity and patience help you remain hopeful and persistent. Even when progress seems slow, they keep you motivated through difficult time. Advice number 6. Believe in yourself. My dear friends, believe in your own strength and abilities. Trust that you have what it takes to achieve your dreams. Self belief is a powerful force that can overcome any fear. Self belief empowers you to take a risk and pursue your goals with a confidence. It helps you overcome doubts and fears that might otherwise hold you back. Tom listened carefully to the monk's advice and thanks him for the wisdom. He left the hill feeling inspired and ready to tackle his fears. He started taking a small steps, learned from his failure and relied on his support system. Slowly he built his confidence and achieved his dreams. For all young people out there, remember, facing fear, breaking goals into smaller parts, learning from failure, seeking support, staying positive, and believing in yourself are key to overcome obstacles. Like Tom and the seeds, you have the strength to grow and succeed. Accept your journey and you will find that fear can be powerful motivator, leading you to become a stronger and more strong. So take that first step today. You have the power to overcome your fears and achieve great things. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe for more video.